everyone. Welcome to Top 5 Collection channel. Today we show about 5 unbelievable natural wonders that actually exist. Our world is filled with truly remarkable natural wonders. A few, in fact, are so incredible that you find it hard to believe they actually exist. Some natural wonders, like the Grand Canyon or the Victoria Falls, captivate us with their sheer size and magnificence. However, there are countless other places hidden across different parts of the world that are known for being weird, mysterious, creepy, and at times, seemingly impossible. Here we'll show you 8 of such places. They are so unusual that some of them appear to be from a different planet altogether. Number 5. Fly Geyser in USA. The Fly Geyser is a small geothermal geyser located in Washoe County, Nevada, and is an incredible accidental wonder. A product of a human mistake, this rainbow-colored geologic wonder was accidentally created in 1964 when a company was looking for a geothermal source of energy. They drilled a well and struck water that was 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius, hot. Since the water was too hot to be used, they tried to reseal it, but apparently, it did not hold. Some even say that the well wasn't even properly sealed. Whatever may have been the case, it resulted in the continued spewing of mineral-rich water for decades and left a peculiar and beautiful conical formation. Fascinatingly, a 5-foot jet of water continually shoots from the Fly Geyser. Moreover, it is ever-growing because of the minerals from the geothermal water pocket stored beneath the desert surface. The alien-looking mound has a brilliant and bright color, which it gets from the thermophilic algae that cover it. Looking at it from a little distance, you will certainly get a fantasy film feel from it. Number 4. The Door to Hell in Turkmenistan. Situated in Derwiz, a village in Turkmenistan, in the middle of the Karakum Desert, is a frightening place known as the Darvaza gas crater. It is actually a fiery crater that has been nicknamed the Gates of Hell, and its blazing glow can be seen for miles around. The Door to Hell gas crater was created accidentally in 1971 when a Soviet drilling operation tapped a cavern filled with natural gas. The ground caved in after that and left a huge hole that was 70 meters, 229 feet in diameter. Poisonous fumes began leaking at an alarming rate from the cavern, and to rein it in, the Soviets set the hole on fire, hoping it would stop the burning in the next few weeks. Decades have passed, but the fiery pit is still burning strongly, leaving even the best scientists befuddled. The government now hopes that the site will become a tourist attraction. Number 3. Rainbow Mountain in Peru. When you first look at it, you would feel like you are inside some fantasy animated movie. After all, how do you register a mountain that is striped with shades of yellows, greens, reds, and purples? The Rainbow Mountain, also called Montana de Siete Colors, Mountain of 7 Colors, is located in the Andes in the Cusco region of Peru. The place is believed to be holy and sacred, but the reason behind the magnificent colors in these mountains lies in the ice that used to cover the area. Over time, when the ice melted and the ground continued to erode, the different mineral layers were exposed. This left a series of multicolored stripes along the ridges and makes the mountains appear rainbow-colored. Number 2. Aurora Lights. One of the greatest natural wonders, Aurora Lights. The auroras, also known as the Northern Lights, are naturally occurring lights that create intriguing and spectacular displays in the sky. The Aurora Lights frequently appear as diffuse glow lighting up the horizon. The most amazing sight is when the Northern Lights appears as waves across the sky. It is almost as if the lights are dancing. Number 1. Kawah Ijen in Indonesia. Located on the island of Java in Indonesia, the Kawah Ijen crater is a one-of-a-kind phenomenon. Also known as the Blue Volcano, it has become famous because, instead of producing the usual red lava and black smoke, it generates bright blue flames. This happens when the volcano's sulfur-rich gases are exposed to the air temperature above 360 degrees centigrade, 680 degrees Fahrenheit. Sometimes, these flames can rise as high as 16 feet, 4.9 meters. When they touch the air, at night, you can see blue lava-like rivers flowing through its crevices, making for a spellbinding sight. From time to time, these gases can liquefy, which is why people often mistake them for lava. Thanks for watching our Top 5 Collections channel. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like. Have a nice day.